the problem we are trying to solve?
We're trying to build a flashlight with 2 light bulbs, and we're trying to wire them so they can be as bright as possible while also having an on. What are the requirements and constraints of your project?
We have limited materials, need a parallel circuit, a series circuit, and 2 light bulbs lit. We have to have a connected switch, and we have to use batteries. The requirement is that we have to make the brightest possible light and explain how. Describe the 2 circuit builders' circuit diagrams of the flashlight, one for parallel and one for series.
For parallel, it makes the light bulb brighter, but it drains the battery faster, but it also has more current because it has less resistance in it. But in a series, the light bulb does not shine as bright. It has more resistance, and it does not drain the battery as fast as the parallel.
Describe the circuit and explain what made us get to that conclusion.
For our design, we decided to have a parallel circuit. What we decided upon is having 2 wires on the top of the brass, one going to the other light bulb and one to the other, and having a paper clip in between to act as a switch, and also having another wire connected to the bottom of the battery, and that we decided that would act as a parallel circuit and would best make the light the brightest. Explain how your flashlight was wired in the series circuit. Include what was the current, resistance, and voltage.
When the circuit of our flashlight was wired in the series, there was one path for the charges to flow, and on this path there was 2 resistors, and the charges had to pass through both of them. In the circuit, there was 3 total volts of voltage, but across each bulb there was only 1.5. The current to each bulb was 0.06 amps, and the total was 0.06 amps. The total resistance of the circuit was 50 ohms, and the total power was 0.18. How your flashlight was wired in parallel, including current, resistance, and voltage.
When we made a parallel circuit, we decided to have a wire go from each light bulb to a brad, and then another wire go from the brad to the negative side of the battery, and then we put a switch in the middle which would close the circuit and allow the flow of energy to go through. For our total voltage was 3, and each light bulb got 3 because in the parallel circuit there's multiple paths. For our total resistance was 12.5 ohms, and our total current was 0.24 amps. Our power ended up being 0.7. The advantages of the 2 designs.
The advantages of the parallel circuit was that the light bulbs shine brighter, and it was slightly easier to wire because we did not have to put 2 light bulbs on the same strand of wire. The advantage of series was that the battery lasted longer, and if we messed up, we could keep using the same battery.